Greetings for the day, dear children. Welcome back. I want you to observe this image and tell me what are the things that you have observed, dear children. Come on, hurry up. Yes, dear children, what are the things that you have observed? The date, the days or the months in which the two reports have been taken, and also the figure over here. Here it shows 8 and here it shows 10.5. You all know if you have like ever gone through a report, so you must have observed that on the right hand side the normal range is always given, so you can read that and find whether your report gets or reaches the normal range or not. 12 is the lower limit, whereas 16 is the upper limit. So if it is 8, that means the hemoglobin is very, very, very low. Now, this report was taken on 20th of June 2007. 15th of September 2007, in the same year, this few months apart. You must have observed that the hemoglobin took so many days and weeks and even months to come up. Okay, just 2.5 it has come up. So Aarti has to take so much of efforts. She has to eat a balanced diet so that her hemoglobin doesn't drop slow again. Now let us focus on the basic questions. Look at the Aarti's blood report and find out the minimum required hemoglobin. So minimum required is 12. How much did Aarti's hemoglobin go up? So it went by 2.5 and it took 3 months, almost 3 months to increase. What does the newspaper report say? The newspaper report says that children are getting affected by anemia and it is affecting them mentally as well as physically. Have you or anyone in your family? Last month when I was down with fever, I got a blood test done and it resulted in malaria. Most of the time, people also have to get their blood test done to find out their blood type, A positive, B positive, and so on. What was found out by the blood test? So here in the example, the person is suffering from malaria. Have you had a health checkup in your school? Yes, we always have health checkup once in a year. Now we are studying online, so let us just go through the nostalgia lane. That let us imagine that you all just had your health checkup few months back. Okay, most probably you all were always fit and fine, but the doctor always suggested you all to take care of your ears and eyes. Now what the doctor would suggest, the doctor will suggest that you all must take care of your eyes because of the constant use of phones and computers and laptop. Now what are the food items, my dear children, you have to eat in order to prevent anemia? Dear children, prevention is better than cure. You and I both have to follow this regime. Prevention is better than cure. Later on, going to the doctor, getting the medicines and following it in the future, it is better that you and I as well as both of us should ensure that we should eat a balanced diet. So these are the food items which will ensure that we will never get anemia. Ask a doctor or elders about the food items. So ask my dear children. Let us talk about baby mosquitoes. There is a poster on malaria just outside our class. Yeah, I remember during when the schools were on. If there is something during the recess, or if there is a notice, how everyone used to run, और if there are your children's day का गिफ्ट जब भी आता था, आप लोग कितने एक्साइटेड हो जाते थे, विंडो के बाहर देखते थे क्या गिफ्ट है। सो वैसे ही ये बच्चे भी क्लास के बाहर गए और इन्होंने ये पोस्टर देखा। अब पोस्टर का स्लोगन कितना कैची है, आर यू इनवाइटिंग मस्कीटोज बीवेयर, they spread malaria, dengue and chikungunya. So these are the instructions given. Dear children, this poster says something about larvae. So larvae are basically the baby mosquitoes. Now Aarti is asking, where did you see? Nancy is saying, basically representing this image, explaining about this image. अगर पानी ऐसे ही स्टील पड़ा है, ओके, वो पानी को 2-3 डेज तक अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे और वो पानी ओपन है, द वाटर इज ओपन नॉट क्लोज्ड, सो उसमें थ्रेड एंड ग्रे कलर के चीजें आपको दिखेंगे जो स्विम हो रहे हैं। She was surprised when Mama said that they are baby mosquitoes and they are called as larvae because they are plural, more than one. Rajat is asking, what did you do then? Nancy is saying, Papa ने वो पूरा water फेंक दिया and he cleaned and dried the pot. Okay, upside down. Whenever vessels like glasses or any other utensils, when we put it upside down, उल्टा जब भी हम रखते हैं तो we ensure कि जो residue of water है वो drain out हो जाता है। Now, Jaskirat is asking, Shazia auntie told me that even flies spread diseases, especially stomach problems. So Rajat is now asking, mosquito तो bite करता है इसीलिए मलेरिया होता है, अब फ्लाइज कैसे करता है, फ्लाइज तो बाइट ही नहीं करता, तो वो डिजीजेस कैसे स्प्रेड करता है। वेरी इनोसेंट एंड इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन। So let us focus over there, and meanwhile these are the questions which we have already discussed about posters. Whenever we talk about posters, dear children, posters are basically nothing but a way to ensure awareness, create awareness and ensure that the general public are following the rules. जैसे कि अभी पैंडेमिक के इतने सारे awareness create हो गया, everyone is aware about social distancing, sanitizers, regular eating of healthy food, getting tested, getting vaccinated and so on. What are some of the important things given in the poster? We must ensure that water doesn't get collected anywhere. Why do you think pictures of a tank, cooler and pits are shown? Because यहाँ पे stagnant water जल्दी जमा होता है. Now, what do you think about putting fish in the tank? What do you think the fish eat? अब देखो, एक टैंक में फिश जब हम पुट करते हैं तो अगर मस्कीटो ने एग्स दिया है तो फिश वो लार्वा को खा जाएगा। What will happen when oil is spread on the water? जब भी ऑयल पुट करते हैं वाटर में तो as we have already studied, ऑयल क्या होता है, फ्लोट होता है। So these baby mosquitoes cannot breathe and as a result the larvae will die. How come? Now let us come down to the question. Flies तो बाइट ही नहीं करता तो ऐसे कैसे डिजीज स्प्रेड कर रहा है? तो फ्लाइज क्या करते हैं, उनके टच से उनका बॉडी जहां जहां टच हुआ है और उनके सलाइवा एंड फीसेस यानी उनका वॉमिट, यूरिन, उससे वो लोग वो डर्ट, वो पैरासाइट्स, बैक्टीरिया, जो जो इन्फेक्शन होता है, स्टमक इन्फेक्शन, वॉमिटिंग, डायरिया, लूज मोशन, इन हिंदी जिसको बोलते हैं पेट खराब हो जाना, सो ये सारी चीजें बेसिकली अनहाइजीनिक फूड से होती है। अनहाइजीनिक फूड से क्यों होती है? बिकॉज डियर चिल्ड्रन, अनहाइजीनिक फूड, गंदा पानी, उसमें अगर खाना बनाया है तो उससे वो पर्सन बीमार हो सकता है। डिजीजेस लाइक टाइफॉइड एंड कॉलेरा, दे आर वाटर बोर्न डिजीजेस, यानी गंदे पानी से कुछ इन्फेक्ट हो गए हम तो हमें वो डिजीजेस हो सकते हैं. अगेन द सिम्टम्स आर मोर और लेस द सेम, फीवर एंड ऑल. Apart from this, that is why it is said that street side food जो है वो avoid करना चाहिए, because we don't know the water which they are using. And at home you should cover the food items so that flies, flies पूछ के तो डोरबेल रिंग करके नहीं आता ना घर पे कि मैं आ जाऊं क्या. So you have to ensure that your food is covered. Now this is one activity which you are supposed to do it by yourself, and you have already done. Now try this in your notebook. You have to write a letter, ठीक है, and ensure कि आपके आजू बाजू में कहीं पे पानी जमा हुआ है या नहीं. Now this is the assignment number 8. You have to prepare a poster to create awareness about malaria. Draw it in your notebook or use Canva application. जब भी मैं Google form दूंगी, preferably few days before your first assessment, half yearly assessment, तभी आपको वो अपलोड करना है. कैनवा का है तो स्क्रीनशॉट अपलोड करेंगे, नोटबुक का है तो फोटो क्लिक करके अपलोड करेंगे. अगर आपने कैनवा से वीडियो बनाया है तो वीडियो भी अपलोड हो जाएगा. ये एक हेल्प बॉक्स है जिसमें कूलर, टैंकर, ड्रेन्स और ये सारी चीजें आप बना सकते हैं. घर में जो बकेट होता है अगर उसमें पानी आप रखते हो, लाइक कुछ लोग जमा करके रखते हैं, स्टोर करते हैं, सो वो भी आप पुट कर सकते हैं कि उसमें भी ब्रीडिंग पॉसिबल है मस्किटोज का. Now this is an example for the assignment. You can put it in Canva, you can draw and color it. It is up to you, dear children. More or less, I am happy that my dear children have learned using the Canva application. Slowly and steadily, मैं आपको एक online greeting card भी बताऊंगी using a website. It will take some time to teach you all, like to make you understand. थोड़ा time लगेगा, but that will be worth it. You'll save a lot of resources on charts, glitter, and other stationery items. So there's one thing of online greeting card, digital greeting card, and it's really worth it. Survey report. Now when we talk about survey report, dear children, there are group 1 and group 2 ने दो conclusion पे आए हैं. एक group 1 ने find किया है कि there is something green around the taps of our school which is called as algae. अब ये जो algae होता है ना वो बहुत slippery होता है. ये बारिश होने के बाद आप ground पे भी देखोगे बहुत होता है, और अगर आप उसके ऊपर से चलोगे तो आप फिसल जाओगे. ठीक है, रेनी सीजन में तो काफी ज्यादा होता है. And small plants also grow in water. Whereas group 2 ने ये find out किया है कि there is a pond near their school. पहले तो आपको दिखेगा ही नहीं क्योंकि वो पानी पूरा प्लांट से कवर्ड है, और उन बच्चों को रियलाइज हुआ कि ये जो प्लांट्स है ये तो अपने आप आए हैं, सीड्स वगैरह का तो कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ा, और वहां पे कुछ लार्वे भी है. सो उन्होंने देखा बहुत ज्यादा मस्किटोज भी थे वहां पे. सो देर आर सो मेनी मस्किटोज बिकॉज ऑफ द डर्टी पॉन्ड नियर बाय. अगर आपके बिल्डिंग में कोई ड्रेनेज भी अगर ओपन रहा ना तो भी मस्किटोज बहुत ज्यादा ब्रीड हो जाएंगे बिकॉज दे लाइक स्टैग्नेंट वाटर. सो आप भी बताएंगे अगर आपके एरिया के आजू बाजू में कोई पॉन्ड या रिवर है आपके घर या स्कूल के पास, तो आप बताएंगे कि आपको अलगे या कभी आपने कहीं अलगे देखा है. सो इन एंड अराउंड दी वाटर, आप अपने बिल्डिंग से बाहर देखोगे आफ्टर दी हेवी रेनफॉल वो रहता ही है अलगे. और कहाँ कहाँ अलगे देखते हैं, देखो दीवारों पर होता है. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ व्हेन दी वॉल्स पर इट्स देयर. Are there plants growing on the side or in the water? What are the names? So the names are mosses and liverworts. I have just added the image for of the same. ये अपने आप grow होते हैं. Do you think these plants were planted